Hey guys, it's Gwen Fox, and I'm so glad that you're here. But this is the time that we are going to select the canvas, the size. Is it going to be a canvas? Is it going to be paper? Is it going to be a board, cradle board, flat board? What's it going to be for this painting of the peonies? So I decided to do something I have never done before, and that was take you into the inner sanctum of all the places that I have canvases lined up, boards lined up, all of these things. And it's a mess. No one has ever seen this before. So be prepared. It is, I have it in the garage. I have it in different places. I have it in the storage shed. You know, we do what we could do when we could do it. So this is selecting and showing you where I'm going to, or where I store my things. But at the end, I did not show you that I selected a canvas because I was going to do this flat, I was going to tear raw canvas and then do that. And then after that, I changed my mind. So in the next video, I will show you exactly what I've chosen, but I didn't want to leave you hanging. So anyway, enjoy this. Enjoy the inner sanctum. It ends kind of abrupt, but you can laugh all the way through it. Get some popcorn, get a soda, sit back, call your friend and say, hey, you want a good laugh? Come on over. I got a good video. So anyway, talk to you later. See you in the next video where we start the painting. Now you kind of look at some of the inner sanctums of my garage, and I've got lots of, I think they're 24 by 24s. Then I have lots of smaller pieces up here that I can choose from. I like having different sizes available to me, so I kind of know that I have them. I don't have to wait because, you know, I'm not a good waiter. Here I have lots of big pieces like 36 by 36s and 48 by 48s. They're all waiting for me to paint. So nobody else sees this room, but you can see it because this is a room filled with paintings that either haven't worked or want to be painted over. And to be very honest, except for that board right there that's going on a shelf. But it's lots and lots of fun to be able to have paintings that I can paint over, guys, because not every painting works at all. So now we'll go to the next place. Okay, I'm going out to my garden, my little garden area, so I'll show you that because it's here. This is the garden area, and I love it just because I have filled it with flowers and veggies, and it's quite nice. I have silver lace growing on it, which is going to be just beautiful later. Now I've got some little ones up there. This is a storage area, which I have bags of other things. Lots of picture frames there. Plus, I have these to select from as well. And I know it looks like a lot, and actually it is a lot. But when you want to you want to create a painting, to me, it's nice to have things to choose from. And a lot of these have been painted on, and I have to just repaint. That's all. So now that you've seen my mess, all the things that I have, I've never shown this before. This is kind of fun. Well, I told you it ended abruptly, and it sure did. But in the next video, we start the painting, and it's exciting, and I am excited to do it. I'm excited to show you. So we see you there.